Traveling allows for unique cultural experiences and interactions that enrich one's life. During my journeys, I've had the pleasure of immersing myself in various cultures. One unforgettable experience was during a trip to India. I had the chance to attend a traditional Indian wedding. The vibrant colors, music, and rituals were mesmerizing. It was a joyous celebration filled with dance, music, and delicious food. In Thailand, I participated in a local cooking class. I learned to prepare authentic Thai dishes like green curry and mango sticky rice. The class was not only educational but also a delightful sensory experience. During a visit to Japan, I stayed in a traditional ryokan. Wearing a yukata, I enjoyed the serene atmosphere of an onsen, hot spring, and experienced the art of tea ceremony. It was a glimpse into Japanese customs and hospitality. In Greece, I joined a Greek dance class. Learning traditional dances like the sirtaki and zabekiko was a fun way to connect with local culture. I also had the pleasure of tasting homemade moussaka and baklava at a local's home. These cultural experiences have allowed me to appreciate the diversity of our world and connect with people from different backgrounds. They've added depth to my travels and created lasting memories.